Let me show you how to enable or disable grid lines in the camera app of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So launch the camera and then tap on this little arrow at the top, and that's going to give you this menu. Select settings. Under settings, you want to go to general, and under general you will see grid lines, which you can tap on, and then you can choose to enable either the rule of thirds grid lines or the golden ratio, depending on what you want. So if I enable that, I can also choose to have the straightener or the center mark to show you the center of whatever it is you're trying to take a photo of. So there you go. You can see the grid lines and now should be visible now. Okay, there you go. That's more clear. So that is how to enable or disable grid lines on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.